Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
So before I start my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and take this Aliza cleanser, a 3-in-1 cleanser that they sent to me. It's a natural product, all natural ingredients, and all of their products are. It is a 3-in-1 cleanser. It hydrates and removes makeup, and it cleanses. It has leaf extract, flower extract, jelly extract, hazel extract, flower oil, and citric acid. What I'm doing is you wet the product, you put the cleansing pads in your hand, you rub them all together until they melt into a foam, and rub it all over your face. This is great because I have sensitive skin, and my skin has been so freaking dry in these summer months, winter months, even though my skin is oily, and it really hydrated my skin. And then you pat dry it. If you're interested in these natural products, I will leave the code for 20% off on the screen, as well as the information in the description bar. Now I'm gonna get right into my makeup. I'm taking my Urban Decay primer potion per usual and priming my eyelids. This is a great primer if you want your eyeshadows to really show up and show out, especially if you have darker skin and your eyelids are darker. It really cancels that out and makes the eyeshadows pop. And I'm just buffing with my Real Techniques brush. Now, baby girl, you want to make sure your lips are hydrated, okay? You don't want the crusty crust. So I'm taking regular schmegular Carmex and getting my life together. Now I'm going into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking the color Ada. It's like a rustic brownish color, and I'm going in with the Sedona Lace blending brush and putting that in my crease. I'm going pretty heavy-handed with that because I really want it to show up. Then I'm gonna go in with a smaller crown brush and take the color Fula, which is like a deeper brown color. I'm just deepening my crease up. And then going into an oldie but a goodie, the Monarch Palette by Kat Von D. I'm taking that brown color, which is called Papilla, and I'm going to create a halo with that color. That's really going to darken it. I'm not going to add black, but now I'm just taking an e.l.f. bronzy shade. I did not show this color because it didn't really do that much, but it's like a regular bronzy shade just as a base before I use the other color I'm going to put on top. The other color I'm going to put on top is back in the Juvia's palette. It's called Casablanca. It's Casablanca, the prettiest gold foiled shade. I'm telling you, it's more on the copper side, but it's so pretty. Now I'm taking an e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and just cleaning up that color and getting to the places I couldn't get into before. Now I'm just gonna blend it all together. Blend it all together. Now I'm taking the blackest eyeliner in the history of black. It's called the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color Perversion. I'm tightlining because I'm not gonna do any wings or any eyeliner on the top. This stuff is black as black. Now I'm just pretty much setting it and smudging my lower lash line with that same Papilio dark brown color. I never got into any blacks because I didn't want it to make it too dramatic, regular. I'm doing it in a corner. My inner corner is from the Masquerade palette, just taking that shimmery color, Giza. Now, of course, you want to use some waterproof mascara. Mine is a Too Faced Better Than Sex. You already know. These lashes are Kiss lashes. I couldn't show you them because obviously they're on my eyes and then I lost them after. But yeah, these are my Kiss lashes. They're called in the style Sultry. They're just a regular demi wispy type of lash. Really nothing crazy. Now I'm taking my highlighter, baby. You know you wanna glow. I'm taking my Desi X Katie Mirror May and my Betty Luminizer, going on the high points of my cheeks, my nose, the bridge, the tip, Cupid's bow. And I'm using a Real Techniques setting brush to do that. Now I'm taking this beautiful red lip color by Sephora. It's called the Rouge. No, it's called the Cream Lip Stain. I can't see the color, but I will leave it down below. It's like the red color. Super nice. It does dry matte. And then I just lined it with a brown lip liner. And this is the final look, guys. The final makeup look. Let us get into this outfit. This is a Fashion Nova dress. It's called the Love Bug Ruched dress. I will leave it down below with the link. I got the color black and a size large. You already know. It's a mini dress. It's super cute. A mini cute dress. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Turn your post notifications on. Make sure you leave me a comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.